everyone, it's Molly. Today I'm making brownies from a 1958 recipe. If you're curious as to what these are going to taste like, then make sure you stick around at the end when we do the taste test. Alright, let's get started. Okay, so first off we're going to sift together some flour, baking powder, salt, and unsweetened cocoa powder. And I'll make sure I post the recipe down below in the description box for you guys. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is we're going to cream together some shortening, and I'm using vegetable shortening, along with some sugar. Once the shortening and sugar are light and fluffy, we're going to add the eggs and the vanilla. Whoops. Okay. Now I'm going to add the flour cocoa mixture, and I'm going to mix this together until it's smooth, while not trying to give myself a bath in cocoa. Now I'm going to add some chopped walnuts. You could use whatever kind of nuts you want. The recipe suggests almonds, pecans, Brazil nuts, or peanuts in addition to walnuts, so get creative. I have an 8 by 8 by 2 inch pan here that's been greased and fitted with a parchment paper sling so that it's easy to pull the brownies out. And I'm just going to stick my batter in here. And my oven is preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Smells really good. Okay, just spread it out as even as you can get it. And these will bake for about 30 to 35 minutes, but just keep checking on them. Your oven might, just keep checking on them. Your oven might be a little bit different than mine, so your bake time might change. Okay, and into the oven it goes. All right, I've got Dan with me, and the brownies are done, and we're ready to taste them. Do you want a glass of milk?
No.
All right. Take one.
Pretty good.
They're good. I wasn't so sure how these would come out because they're not made with butter.
Yeah, they're good. I mean, they're moist and
They're made with shortening.
well.
And I was like, oh, that's a little weird.
You know my favorite part about this?
Okay.
Do you know what my favorite part about this brownie is?
What?
It's your nut to batter ratio. It's perfect.
Oh yeah, you think so?
Yeah.
Oh. That's oddly specific. Nut to batter ratio. Well, they're nice and fudgy. Kind of like a cakey consistency, but moist. Definitely not like cake. Definitely like a good brownie. They get kind of that, I'm not sure how you would describe it, that papery sort of skin on top. That's like classic of brownies. These have that. So, very delicious. And you don't have to put nuts in them if you don't want to. You can leave those out. But I like mine. I prefer brownies with nuts. I'm 14.
Sorry.
I don't even understand what's so funny.
I don't think.
Alright, Dan, so you like the recipe?
It was a very good recipe. I would highly recommend this to anybody that likes a good brownie.
Yes, I would too. And I imagine you could probably use butter in place of the shortening. I don't know how that would turn out. And you don't have to put nuts in it. So, anyways, yeah. So there you go. 1958 brownie recipe. It's very good.
Yeah, I would definitely recommend it.
All right. Well, if you like this content, then please subscribe and hit the like button. And let me know down in the comments if you put nuts in your brownies or not. And if you do put nuts in, what kind of nuts do you put in there? I'd just be curious to hear. All right, so hope to see you guys in the next video.
Bye, everybody.
Bye.
They're salty nuts.